More than 70 persons were arrested last night in Ocho Rios, St. Anne, for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act. They were arrested during an operation by the Area 2 Police. More in this report.
11 o'clock Friday night, Ocho Rios, St. Anne. Police checkpoints and a traffic pileup in the tourist town. This is 2 hours after the island-wide curfew began, and the police were out in their numbers with a zero-tolerance approach. Head of the Area 2 Police Division Assistant Commissioner Calvin Allen led the operation.
Well, I just thought I would join the team out here tonight as we continue our road policing activities, and the heavy focus was on policing of the Disaster Risk Management Act. We just want to remind everyone that curfew commences at 9 p.m.
By the end of the night, over 50 persons were arrested for various breaches. Charges were also laid against close to 30 persons for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act.
And you can see the line at 10:30, 11 o'clock. How many persons were still on the road? Most have absolutely no good reason for being out here. So we had to take the necessary action, and these are efforts that will continue. I might want to add that in addition to the Disaster Risk Management Act, we were also looking out for predial thieves, because our farmers are hurting, and so a few persons were found with agricultural produce. They could not properly account for them, so they are spending maybe the rest of the weekend with us.
Despite a ban on entertainment events, St. Anne has been plagued by illegal parties. In recent weeks, the police have clamped down on several areas deemed as hotspots in rural sections of the parish. ACP Allen says they won't be letting up.
These are the rules as was announced by our Honorable Prime Minister. We are out here to enforce these rules, and we want for persons to comply. So when we get back out here tomorrow night, we really don't expect to see anyone on the road except those persons that are specially exempted.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.